Welcome, today I'm showing how to activate Hey Google option into a DOOGEE V20. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Then on the bottom right corner we got more options, so tap it and choose settings. Next tab, go into voice and here choose voice match option. And now tap here on the switcher to activate your Hey Google. And now need to give access to your assistant, tap next, then I agree. And how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use, press continue, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.